Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging everything, safety first. Once done, position the device so the port is accessible and remove any shielding screws. You then detach the existing connector assembly gently, score any adhesive if present, and lift the head straight out to avoid bending pins. Make sure to keep screws and small parts organized. This initial removal lets you see the mating surfaces and prepares you for alignment of the new Ethernet head. Now you align the replacement head carefully, match the notch orientation and the pin row so contacts meet evenly. Gently press the head straight into the socket until you feel a solid seat or an audible click. Do not rock it. Once seated, reinstall shielding and retention screws in a cross pattern to maintain even pressure. After securing the assembly, reconnect the network cable and power, but do not power on fully yet. Run a quick continuity check first. Power up the device and observe the link LEDs. Steady or blinking light indicates physical link. You then run a cable tester or ping the gateway to confirm data flow. If everything passes, secure panels and document the replacement date. If you encounter no link or intermittent drops, power down, reseat the head, and inspect for bent pins or stray solder. Also verify shielding and ground continuity. One key troubleshooting tip: bent pins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.